Okay, so now I bet you're wondering, okay, what else is she going to talk about? Well, in this video, we are going to go over the results of, so we're going to go over the answers to the questions that were posed during your experiment today. So when we look at the comparing your results from your experiment, right? What you should have noticed is that the higher you held the ball, the higher the ball bounced, okay? Number 2, at what point does the ball have kinetic energy? Well, it starts to have kinetic energy as soon as you let go of the ball because of movement. At what point does the ball have potential energy? Well, it has the potential to have energy while you were holding the ball before it dropped. How are potential energy and kinetic energy related to the bouncing ball? Inversely, okay? So kinetic energy increases as the potential energy decreases. So the moment you decide to drop that ball and you let go of the ball, kinetic energy increases because you're allowing the ball to drop. The last question, what did you notice when the ball dropped? What did you notice when you dropped the smaller ball on top of the basketball? Well, I hope you noticed that the second ball went higher and the bigger ball did not bounce as high because the smaller ball, when that big ball came up and hit the smaller ball took the energy and it bounced higher while the bigger ball lost the energy and it kind of stopped bouncing. I hope that's what you saw. Now, here are the answers to the pictures, okay? So potential, we have astronaut in stars, okay? Kinetic, the spaceship. Now, when the stars reflect the light from the sun, you have radiant energy, the stars and lights on the stars, and then the lights on the spaceship were light energy. Right? The second picture, potential, the ball is in the air and the player without the ball. Kinetic, the ball bouncing and the players moving, trying to catch that ball. You have mechanical, which is motion, the ball and the players are both moving. Number 3, the boys that are building the snowman. So potential is the large snowball, okay, it's sitting there. And then the snowball in the boy's hand and the stick, they all have potential. Kinetic is, if you noticed in the picture, the snow is falling in the picture, okay? Number 4, potential is bird in the window and the blinds. And kinetic, the blades of grass moving. Mechanical, blades of grass moving in the wind. All right, those are just some possible answers. You may have come up with something different. Please make sure that you submit your PowerPoint activity. If you want to go back and fix anything or add anything else to your explanation, please do that before you click submit.